Are you tired of cheap tools failing when you're on the clock? Today, we're counting down the 20 must-have Wiha tools for electricians and plumbers in 2026. From the game-changing Professional Electric Pliers Wrench to the legendary Automatic Crimp Tools, German engineering is setting the standard for job site safety and precision. Whether you're a master electrician wiring a complex panel or a plumber tackling high-torque fittings, these are the best hand tools for tradespeople who demand durability. We're diving into the top-rated Wiha pliers, torque drivers, and VDE-certified gear that will actually save you time and protect your hands. If you want to work smarter and upgrade your tool bag with the world's most innovative gear, stick around. Let's get into the list. Precision matters when working with solar power systems. The Wiha Crimp tool is designed to deliver reliable and professional electrical connections every time. The PV pliers allow efficient processing of solar cables with cross-sections, while the automatically adjusted pressure force ensures optimal connections. Cleverly conceived with an integrated emergency release function, the crimping process can be manually interrupted when needed. Its intelligent design allows easy observation for both right-handed and left-handed users. With anti-slip, two-component ergonomic handles and lever force amplification, it ensures comfortable work, ideal for MC4 solar connectors, mounting, installation, and repair of photovoltaic systems. Need a smarter way to carry your tools and work essentials? The Wiha Electric Tool Backpack keeps everything organized and ready on the go. It features a separate laptop office compartment, plenty of additional storage, and a clearly organized interior for easy removal of tools. With 77 storage and 30 flexible attachment possibilities, users can customize their setup easily. The stable, waterproof base tray and tilt-resistant rings stand keep the backpack firm, even when open. Designed for electricians and technicians, it is perfect for carrying tools, devices, and accessories for installation, maintenance, and electrical repair work. Need a safer and smarter tool for electrical installation work? The Wiha Electric Pliers Wrench is designed to make fastening and gripping tasks faster, easier, and more secure. It eliminates the need to press a button when adjusting pliers in confined spaces, reducing risk when working on live parts. You can set the required width directly on the workpiece, improving access to tight areas. Extremely smooth, parallel-acting jaws minimize wear on sensitive surfaces, while the Ratchet principle speeds up screw fastening. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and tested for safety up to 1000 volts. A C, it's ideal for electrical installation and maintenance. Need the right tool exactly when you need it? The Wiha Nut Driver and Bit Set keeps every essential. Fasten a tool within reach. This 41-piece nut driver and bit set comes in a convenient belt pouch, making it perfect for professionals on the move. It includes 1/4-inch hex nut driver inserts from 4 to 14 millimeters, various bits, a bit holder, a reversible ratchet, 2 extensions, a universal joint, a nut driver adapter, and a connector piece with a retaining ring. The Softfinish screwdriver with magnetic bit holder ensures easy handling, while the 72-tooth reversible ratchet allows precise work. Ideal for installation, assembly, and repair tasks. Ever struggle to find the right key for maintenance locks or control cabinets? The Wiha Universal key offers a smart, all-in-one solution. This compact tool features 8 key profiles in a compact and light tool, eliminating the need to carry multiple keys. Thanks to its double joint usable as a slim pin or powerful T-handle, it easily adapts to tight spaces or tasks that require extra force. Designed for durability with robust materials, it is suited for different applications in the area of maintenance and service, especially in switch cabinets and locking systems, making it an essential tool for technicians and electricians. Need powerful lighting when there's no electricity around? The Wiha Rechargeable Floodlight delivers bright, reliable illumination wherever work takes you. With its 3 illumination modes, the LED floodlight is exceptionally versatile and can be used for up to 13 hours, making it perfect for demanding tasks. A strong magnetic holder on the machine foot and a 360-degree rotating hook ensure numerous attachment options for the floodlight. An integrated charge status and remaining capacity display prevents unexpected downtime. The impact-resistant, splash-waterproof design and USB-C charging add convenience, while during charging, it still operates at 80% luminance, ideal for construction, repair, and professional work lighting. Struggling with precise wire connections in tight electrical spaces? The Wiha Automatic Crimp Tool makes professional crimping faster, easier, and more reliable. Crimping wire end sleeves on hard-to-access cables is usually very challenging in practice, but this tool features a 360-degree rotatable crimping head for front and side access in 45-degree grids. The opening is accessible from both sides and handles sleeves up to 18 mm, with a crimping range from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters for single and twin sleeves. Its automatic crimping function adjusts to cross sections automatically, while the emergency release function and ergonomic anti-slip handles ensure safe, comfortable electrical installation work. Tired of carrying bulky multi-tools for small jobs? The Wiha PocketMax multi-tool offers a smart, compact solution that keeps essential bits always within reach. Designed for convenience, this lightweight tool fits in every trouser pocket and features a simple pull, magnetic closure for quick access. Inside, the handle stores the most common bits in the tool, including 8 1/4-inch C 6.3 standard bits for manual or machine use. The magnetic bit chuck allows fast bit changes, while the twistable cap ensures comfortable handling. With its versatile use, the PocketMax is perfect for quick repairs, installations, and everyday professional tasks. Working with spring terminals in tight spaces can be frustrating. The Wiha Terminal Actuation tool Softfinish makes electrical work faster, safer, and far more convenient. In situations with limited space, such as distribution boxes, handling spring terminals is tricky because screwdrivers block the view and require one hand while the other guides the wire. This tool features a 40-degree curved blade that improves accessibility and provides an unobstructed view of the terminal. The blade stays inserted, freeing both hands for cable insertion. With the soft finish handle design and sturdy metal blade, it ensures comfortable, durable performance during electrical installation and maintenance tasks. Need precise strikes without damaging your materials? The Wiha Soft-faced hammer set delivers controlled power and versatility for professional work. Designed for trade and industry, it features a recoiling impact effect that minimizes the effort in a series of impacts, while safety hammer faces protect the material being processed. The set includes a durable hickory wood handle and 6 hammerheads from soft to very hard for various applications, allowing you to work on wood, plastic, or metal with confidence. Packed in a convenient and sturdy metal box, this interchangeable hammer set is ideal for assembly, maintenance, and precision striking tasks. Work faster without straining your hands. The Wiha E-screwdriver is designed for professionals who handle several fastenings per day and hundreds per week. It works 3 times faster than manual fastening while protecting materials with an auto-stop function that prevents over-tightening. The ring switch allows operation in all positions, and shadow-free illumination ensures clear visibility while working. Its ergonomic design supports healthier working habits and is recommended by doctors and therapists of the German campaign for healthier backs. With slim bits for low-lying screws, it's built for precise, efficient electrical and technical fastening tasks. Stop wasting time searching for the right hex key. The Wiha L-Key Set with ProStar holder, internal hexagon ball end, 9 pieces, luminescent color, Internal hexagon key Allen key set keeps your tools organized and easy to access. The ProStar holder allows quick removal by simply pushing and tilting, while luminescent colors help locate keys quickly under UV light. Each internal hexagon ball end works at angles up to 25 degrees, perfect for tight spaces. Designed for flexibility and secure storage, this Allen key set is ideal for fastening, repairs, and mechanical work. Stripping cables in tight spaces shouldn't be a struggle. The Wiha stripping tool is designed to make work easier when dealing with round and moisture-proof cables inside ceilings or switch cabinets. Its rounded tool head and elongated ergonomic handle provide a comfortable grip and better control in hard-to-reach areas. The tool reliably strips standard round cables with diameters from 6 to 13 millimeters without manual cutting depth adjustment. An integrated length arrestor ensures precise results for repeated tasks, while the fastening clip allows safe storage and protects the tool between jobs. Precision work demands the right tool. The Wiha Fine Screwdriver Set Picofinish is built for filigree fastening work, where accuracy and control matter most. Its slim handles and ergonomic soft grip provide comfort, while the rotating cap permits quick rotation for delicate adjustments. Each insulated screwdriver ensures safe operation up to 1000 volts AC, making it reliable for electrical tasks. Designed for professionals, hobbyists, and model builders, the set delivers precise fastening without damaging components. With well-organized storage thanks to a practical holder, it keeps your tools ready for electronics, electrical repairs, and precision assembly tasks. Safety comes first when working with electrical systems. The WihaTorque key is designed for professionals who need precise and controlled fastening on live parts. With a 10-degree switching angle, it allows easy operation in tight spaces, especially when fastening components onto bus bars in junction boxes. The adjustable torque setting and 2 rotation directions provide accurate tightening, while the snapback mechanism confirms when the preset torque is reached. Tested for safe use up to 1000 volts AC, this insulated torque key is ideal for secure installation of terminals, sleeves, and line connections. One tool can handle multiple fastening jobs. The Wiha Double Ring Ratchet Wrench is a versatile tool designed for efficiency and ease of use, combining 4 common metric sizes: 10mm, 13mm, 17mm, and 19mm, into one compact design. Its fine-toothed 72-tooth ratchet provides a short 5-degree return angle, making it ideal for tight or confined spaces. The switchable direction lever allows quick changes between tightening and loosening. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, this wrench is perfect for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and everyday mechanical work. Power and precision in your pocket. The Wiha Screwdriver SpeedE Pocketdrive is a versatile electric screwdriver designed for various delicate and powerful applications. Its electric drive enables fast, muscle-friendly screw connections, while the push-button control makes fastening and loosening simple. Adjustable torque handles delicate work at 1.0 Newton meters and stronger connections up to 5.0 Newton meters, with manual screwdriver capability reaching 12 Newton meters. 6 LEDs provide shadow-free illumination, and the compact design fits easily in your pocket. With USB-C charging and a 30-bit set, it's ideal for assembly, repairs, and everyday technical work. Good lighting makes every job easier. The Wiha Headlamp is cleverly conceived with a gesture sensor that activates by simply swiping in front of the lamp, even while wearing gloves. This efficient rechargeable headlamp offers infinitely dimmable brightness from 120 lumens to 500 lumens for flexible illumination. It features 2 illumination modes: neutral white light for accurate color recognition and daylight white for bright workspace lighting. With USB-C charging, helmet clips, and up to 10 hours of runtime, this headlamp is ideal for construction work, electrical maintenance, and tasks in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Every installation job needs the right tool at the right moment. The Wiha nut driver and bit set is built for efficiency when tightening and installation work requires many different profiles. This 60-piece set includes widely used 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch nut driver inserts ranging from 4 to 14 mm and 10 to 34 mm, making it easy to tighten or loosen various screw connections. With 19 bits, 2 reversible ratchets, extensions, universal joints, and a Softfinish screwdriver, it offers flexibility and comfort. Stored in a durable L-box system, it's perfect for professional installation, mounting, and mechanical tasks. Stay organized wherever the job takes you. The Wiha Case Basic Set L Mechanic is designed for mobile professionals who need reliable tools in one place. When working on the move, carrying the right equipment while keeping everything organized is essential. This sturdy case includes high-quality hand tools, from ergonomic screwdrivers and pliers to a ring ratchet open-ended spanner set, ensuring you always have the right tool for every situation. With extra storage space, a durable IP67 polypropylene case, and a comfortable handle, it's perfect for mechanical repairs, installation, and professional fieldwork. That wraps up our list of the top 20 Wiha tools every professional needs in 2026. Investing in Wiha. German Tools isn't just about the brand, it's about the dynamic joint technology that keeps you productive and protected. Which of these Wiha essentials is already in your pack, or which one are you grabbing next? Let me know in the comments below. We love hearing from the pros in the field. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the job, and we'll see you in the next one.